Hi viewers, welcome to our channel RJ's Info. This video covers what is Excel dashboard and how it can be used for data analysis and how it can be generated with step by step. First we will see what is Excel dashboard. Excel dashboard is a visual reporting tool that consolidates charts, tables and key performance indicators into one screen to allow users to interact with data using filters, slices and drop-downs to analyze the data. Let's create Excel dashboard. First, we have to see data. This is raw data. Based on this only, we have to create month-wise details, region-wise details, salesman-wise details, and model name and its sales turnover, vehicle type, fuel type, unit price, and total sales amount, and overall how much quantity sold. This is a raw data. First thing is we have to make it as a table. For that, simply select the range. Whatever range you want, you just select the range. Ctrl T to create table. Based on our requirement, insert pivot table. For that, just click, keep cursor anywhere in the table, insert pivot table, then click OK from here, new sheet, you change it as a calculation. You just keep month in a row and total in values. Region wise data, region wise pivot table, same process. Just click here, region, you just drag region into row, then total into the values. One by one you just create it whatever requirements needed. Once you have created all pivot tables, then you have to start inserting slices. Month, region, salesman, fuel. This should be kept in separate sheet. So create one more sheet. You create as a visual. So better remove the grid lines. You can give background color. After that, whatever we have created here, paste in visual. Resize. Once this is done, then click on settings. Based on designing, you can keep columns. You just drag it. For month, then region, cut, salesman. One by one, just copy and paste here. Accordingly, just make some adjustment. After designing these slices, then go back to calculation, insert, recommend charts, cut and paste in a visual. Resize it. Region wise, get the information. Again move to visual. One by one, you have to do all the charts. Then for salesman, one by one, you just create it. Done. Then you have to do report connection. You have to click entire buttons. You just click buttons. Make sure that all tables are connected. Just to make sure that all connections are okay. It is tightly integrated so that it will display perfect numbers. If you like this video, please share it, comment it, please do subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you. If you like this video, please share it, comment it, please do subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you.